Hey everyone, this is Jeff LaBianco with Whole Personal Development. Today I'm going to show you the ultimate exercises for unbeatable posture. As we make our way up the pathway to the workout spot of the beautiful Mauna Kea Resort, I'm going to show you the best exercises to improve your posture. Okay, let's get to it. First one we'll start with are the chin tucks. Now this is very important because by doing a chin tuck, it's going to decrease that forward head posture as well as forward shoulder posture, get you into a better position and decrease those shoulder and neck pains. Next ones are the chin tucks with the neck extension. Let me show you. By adding that extra extension, you're going to further stretch that neck so that you prevent this forward head posture. All right, let's move on to the third. Third exercise is the upper trap stretch. By stretching your upper traps, you're going to decrease that shoulder discomfort as well as neck discomfort that arises in these upper trap areas. Next one is the shoulder extension. This is going to open up the chest musculature as well as stretch out the back. Okay, great, we're getting there. Now, let me show you a few others. We have our backward shoulder shrugs, very important for improving our posture, reducing that forward shoulder motion. So we come up and back. Next one, the shoulder blade squeezes. This is really important in opening up the chest as well as strengthening those back muscles. Let me show you a back view of this. As you're squeezing your shoulder blades together, you want to pretend you're cracking a walnut in between them. That'll give you a good visual on how hard you have to squeeze. All right, we're moving on to the thoracic back bends or mid-back bends. Get your hands up, bend back. Let me show you a side view. Okay, moving down the chain to the lumbar extension or low back bends. You're going to want to put your hands behind the low back or on your hips and bend back to feel a stretch in the hips in the front and tightness in the low back. If you feel that tightness, you're doing it correctly. Next, let's get into the quad stretch. For the quad stretch, you're going to want to lay on your side, grab your leg, and pull back. By doing that, you'll get a good stretch within the quad muscles. I'm also bringing my hip back a bit, so I'm also getting a hip flexor stretch. Here's a back view. Next are the neck extensions. Lie on your stomach and raise your neck up and down. Extend your neck against gravity. That's going to strengthen those neck extensors to bring you into a better posture. Next, the bird dogs, a full body workout. You get on all fours and you bring your opposite arm and opposite leg up and down. This works the back muscles, the butt muscles, the core, as well as the arms and the leg. Next, the opposite arm and leg. Similar to the bird dogs, you're just laying on your stomach this time, working those back extensors, butt muscles, arms, and legs. Now, my favorite exercise, the squats. Put your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointed out, bend down, bringing your butt back with your chest up. Now, my hands are behind my head in order to get that better chest out posture. This is a great exercise. It strengthens all the way from the toes up to the neck. And the hamstring stretch. You're going to bend forward and touch your toes. As well as stretching the hamstring, this stretch in particular will also stretch the low back muscles. Well, there you have it, the ultimate exercises for unbeatable posture. If you enjoyed this video, please click that like button, subscribe, and share this with a loved one. By sharing this, you'll allow me to have a greater audience so that I can help more and more people improve their overall life with these great videos and exercises. Also, check out my other videos where I take a whole personal approach to improving your overall health and lifestyle. If you have any questions, comments, or want me to post a specific video for your needs, please comment below and I'd love to help you out.